Welcome to the zoological world. Today we will discuss about barred owl. The barred owl is known for the repertoire of sounds it makes and for its consummate skill as a hunter. It uses the accuracy of its huge eyes and asymmetrical ears to pinpoint the location of even a tiny animal on the forest floor. Yet, these birds of prey seem curious about humans. Some find them almost tame. Barred owl. Amazing facts. The flight of the barred owl is nearly soundless. This is because each feather is unusually soft and each primary feather has a comb-like edge that dampens the sound while the bird is in flight. They are famous for their main call, which sounds like hoo 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 hoo, hoo 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 ah. The barred owl, indeed, has a repertoire of calls and hoots including screams, cackles, hisses, rasps, and what sounds like sinister laughter. The male's voice is deeper than the female's. The barred owl is a big owl, but the great horned owl is even bigger and will even prey upon adults. The owl's ears are at different heights on its head. This allows them to pinpoint the location of prey. On top of this, the feathers around the facial disc funnel sound into the ears. Where to find the barred owl? The barred owl is found in forests in the eastern part of the United States and southeastern Canada, with populations in the Pacific Northwest. There's also a population on the west coast of Mexico. Though it's a large bird, it can be challenging to find, especially during the winter in deciduous forests where its coloring allows it to blend into the branches of the trees. However, barred owls are more and more seen in suburbs. This may be due to the population of rodents, including rats, mice, and squirrels, smaller birds such as wrens and house sparrows, and trees that have grown big and strong enough for the bird to have its nest in them. So a suburban homeowner shouldn't be surprised to see a barred owl right outside their house. On the other hand, barred owls are said to be curious about human beings. Despite the hair-raising sounds they can make, they are rather docile. When looking for one in the woods during the day, look up into the trees at places where a branch that's at least 16 feet up is close to the trunk. The owl also spends much of the day in tree hollows. Barred owl nests. As a large bird, the barred owl needs a lot of space for a nest and prefers to have it in cavities in large, old trees, especially elms and beeches. Yet they'll use the nests of squirrels or other birds if no cavities are available or a nest box. They don't construct nests the way some other birds do but may tidy the floor of the area before the female lays eggs. Barred owl appearance. The barred owl has a round head that lacks the ear tufts of its nemesis, the great horned owl. Its breast is horizontally striped in brownish-gray while its belly is vertically striped in the same colors. The owl has a pattern of white and brownish-gray bars on its back, wings, and tail. Its eyes, like the eyes of most owls, are disproportionately large given the size of its head. One thing that makes the eyes stand out is that they are black, an unusual color for owls found in eastern North America. The only other eastern owl with black eyes is the barn owl. Barred owl behavior. These owls mostly hunt at night, though now and then it can be seen hunting during the day. It is solitary and only lives with its mate and children until the fledglings are independent. Even though it is monogamous and mates for life, the couple only gets together to breed. During the rest of the year, each partner has their own home range. The owls are territorial, and home territory size ranges from 675 to 3,049 acres, though breeding territory size is a bit smaller. Barred owls don't migrate unless food and shelter are scarce, and some territories have been in the same family of owls for generations. The owl claims its territory by flying from one perch to another and vocalizing. The territory size claimed by males is larger than that claimed by females.